welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, guys, I just want to share some really great news. So Madam Glam is having an early Black Friday sale. This sale is actually going to be taking place tomorrow, which is Friday, November 12th, and you will be able to choose up to at least 3 items if you choose of your choice, and you will receive a 50% off. Tell me that's not a deal. Okay, so I decided to share with you guys some of the amazing products that I personally love. So, you know, I've been working with Madam Glam, I want to say, for at least a year now. Has it been a year? Yeah, I think. No, maybe more, maybe a year and a half. I've been working with them for over a year, technically. So they've been sending me a couple of PR packages, and obviously you guys can see my whole rack back here is full of Madam Glam products and gel polishes. So you guys already know their gel polishes are amazing. They're bomb. They're my favorite. They're A1. Now, if you guys want, I will leave the coupon code in the description box. I have it right here. I wrote it down just in case. I wanted to share it with you guys verbally, because I think, I mean, either way, it's going to be in the description box. But my discount code is LauraBF50. It will be in the description box, as well as a actual specialized link to lead you to the sale and their website. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys a lot of the products that I prefer and I love. I'm gonna say this right now, I don't think I've ever received one product from Madam Glam that I did not like. So my favorite stuff, I'll start with my top 3 favorites. So number 1 is their gel polishes. I will do a little overview of all their gels somewhere here so you guys can see. They're amazing. They are pigmented. They are like no other, honestly. They are rich in color. A lot of the times you only need 1 coat of Madam Glam's gel polishes. And so yeah, I'm gonna go with, that's my number 1, their gel polishes. So if you need to get something, get a gel polish. Try it out. And number 2 would be, it's kind of like 2 products, but I'll claim it as 1 product. Their top and base coat. Their non-wipe top coat and their base coat. So their top coat is amazing. My favorite out of all the gel polishes that I've ever tried. I love their top coats. Now I do have a lot of companies gel polishes or top coats, and I do use them, but I'm still gonna say that my favorite is Madam Glam's. Why? I don't know. Like the formula, the way it applies on top of your work when it's done is just so nice. So that's my number 2, and then dang, I know Madam Glam's gonna be like, okay, she's naming everything. Yes, because I love everything. So I'm gonna add a 4th favorite, but my 3rd favorite is their Madam Glam's rubber base coats. So this is their top coat, this is their base coat. Their top coat and base coat comes in black bottles like these, and then their rubber base. So the difference between this and this, guys, the rubber base is basically like a kind of like a base coat for your nail, and you can use it as the actual color as well if you wanted to, because they have so many different shades. They sent me 3 that I love, but as far as this, you can basically use this as a color and something to kind of give you some strength. So I like this a lot because of that. It's like a builder in a bottle in a sense. And it was the first time I ever used any builder in a bottle, so this is really good. And I have clients that just like gel polish. Not very many. A lot of my clients prefer acrylic, but for the ones that are like, I just want gel, but I need a little bit of strength, I'm like, I got you. I'm gonna put a little layer of some rubber base, and they couldn't believe like how amazing this was. And the nail salon that I was working at, you guys, they were like wowed by this as well, the other techs. Also, that's my number 3, right? So my 4th item that I'm just gonna add randomly is their gel paints. So their colors, let me see how many colors came in. It's a lot of colors, you guys. So let me see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so they have a whole thing. I know they sell them separately on the website too, because remember, this is up to 3 items you can choose for that 50% off for their website for the Black Friday sale. But they do sell these individually, or they sell them in a set. They did send me the whole set, which is 12. but they have every single color: black, white, green, red, orange, everything, blue, purple, silver, and gold, right? So I love these, and I'm gonna do a little close-up so you guys can see everything. Now these, you can tell there's wear and tear on the bottles. I use these all the time when I do detail work. They're amazing. They're very pigmented, they're very rich in color, and very, very easy to work with. So I love these. Look how cute. But I will do a close-up so you guys can see, but there is wear and tear if you see them. They also, I know, I'm just gonna keep showing you guys what else you can get. They have nail art brushes like this. They come in these cute little these little, what is this thing called? It's like, what, they have a little cute little cap. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but they come in a set, I believe, of 5 or 6, something like that. And they also have lamps, you guys. If you guys do your nails at home, you can use mini lamps, but I did want to share with you guys the ones that I liked. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys take advantage of this sale. It is an early Black Friday sale, so I would highly take advantage. It's 50% off, and use my coupon code. You're gonna get that deal. And don't forget that they do sell more colors and stuff. Like, they have so many, and not just the colors I'm about to show you, because I am going to do a little glimpse somewhere in the video, and I'm gonna show you guys all the colors they have. They have so many more. They always come out with new collections every single month, and I swear by Madam Glam's colors. Anybody's ever used them, they love them as well. But that is it, you guys. Don't forget that there's a special link to get to the website and everything, and I'm gonna leave that there for you guys. And if I were to tell you what to go get, I would say get some type of, if you've never like tried them before, get a gel polish, a nice beautiful rich color, and you will not be disappointed. There are some colors that are a little different. Some of them are a little bit more sheer, but only because that's how they made them, so that they have like a translucency, like a jelly color. Or if they made them with glitter. With glitters, usually any gel polish, you're gonna have to use more than one. So just in case you're like, oh, Laura said one swatch. No, it's mostly all the solid colors. But if there's a color that's a little bit different, then yeah, then you might need to use a second coat, which is fine. Even the solid colors, sometimes I'll add the second coat. Depends, but they're the best gel polishes that I've ever used. But yeah, that is all, you guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Take advantage of the sale. Everything will be in the description box, and that's all. Love you guys. I just wanted to get to you guys before you guys, so that you guys don't miss the sale. I've been working all day. I'm a little tired, but I was like, let me hurry up, let me make this little video, because I'm not trying to get you guys to miss out. So I love you guys so much, and take care. Until next time, take advantage of the sale. God bless you guys. Bye bye.